Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with Rebecca and Nirvana, and today we're doing another video. So I'm the mom and they're the twins. Yeah, we're doing a roleplay of growing up. Alright, so you girls have to go to school. So in the car, come on. We're gonna go get food. Come on, Rebecca, in the car.
Okay, Mama.
Come on.
Just wait a sec, I'm AFK.
Yeah, sure, Sarah can come with us. I just went and got a new car. Okay, a minute, let me just get in the car.
I'm sorry.
Alright, come on, I'm coming to drive you guys. Come on, get in the car.
We're at the clothing store, Mommy. We're at the clothing store.
Okay, I'm gonna eat at the clothing store then. That's not good, that's not safe. Come on, Becca, come on, Becca, come on, you have school.
Okay, Mama. Where are we going?
We're going to school. And then tonight we have a school dance. Come on. No, the school dance is after school. Okay, get into your little things. I think I might get in my dress as well.
Mommy, you don't have a dress.
Yes, I do.
No, I don't.
Hey, no being naughty. Come on, you girls. We have to go take our pets to the store. Come on, in the car. No pets allowed at the dance, remember? I'm getting in the car. Oh, come on, you guys. Go drop off your pets.
Oh, sorry, that's on my TV. Let me just turn it down. Is that better? Mommy's not allowed. Yeah? Mommy's not allowed at the
Alright, come on, girls. Have a good day.
Mommy, I'm not done yet. I'm still, I'm not sorted up.
Excuse me, child. You can go back to your room at home and sit there. Sarah can have fun. And why does Sarah have prom king?
What's Sarah done? You should leave, Mommy. This is our time.
I never knew Sarah was a boy.
Why is Daddy here?
I don't know. Your dad just follows me around. I'll go drop him off at home, okay? Because he's gonna be a big humiliation.
So don't need you. Sissy, school goes first, not dance.
No, she already did school.
Yeah, me too. I thought she hasn't done school yet. Yeah, no, you could come to the school dance. Yeah, Sarah said we're gonna go.
Fine, girls, I won't come.
I just came to the dance. I'm sorry I'm super late, but I'm here now. Ooh.
Okay, I think I'm just gonna clean at home.
Look at my stairwell. No, I need to go back to the dance place. I need to get from Queen. Sarah, there's two Sarahs. They both have they're both different. Come on, Sarah. Not dancing. Come over here. We need to get a burger. How do we get an ice cream? You can't. You die when you get ice cream. Don't get an ice cream. I know, but it's gonna probably disappear when I'm getting all away from me. Come on, Sarah. We're gonna go home. I shall go home.
So bored.
Mom, now you can go to the dance because we're not here. Sarah, I'll fly into the house. Sarah, okay, bye, Sarah.
Did you see me behind you?
Oh, hi, I saw you.
I'm on the drone. I've been watching you the whole time as you were at the dance.
I know what else is on.
Not happy with your behavior. Come on, girls, let's go get in our pajamas.
Come on, Becca. Follow me.
You have to go in your pajamas, you girls.
Becca, let's go. I'm already there. I flew today. Mommy, you can't fly.
Yes, I can.
Yeah, she can, but pretend that she can't.
Oh, that was a strong flying. Okay, let's go into our...
I need to get my hands because I'm messy.
Okay, I'm in my pajamas.
Sis, we need to wear the same thing. This is the bed. No, we can't wear a high ponytail. We need to wear silly little...
No, come on, girls, wrap up your hair for bed.
We gotta wear that good hair to bed, Sissy. Alright, I'm wearing the hair to bed. The other messy ponytail. No, you get my hair. You have to tell me.
Come on, girls.
No, Sissy.
Girls, come on, bed. When we get home, eat and then bed.
Alright. Sissy, we have high school tomorrow.
Yep, so you have to go to bed early. Come on, I have some chicken for you here.
Me! Give me good dreams, I can fly.
Okay. Okay, so what room are you in? The bunker bed?
Mommy, are you sleeping with me? Mom, I'm sleeping with Dad. Dad wants it cuddle.
Okay, good night, girls.
Good night, Mama. Bye, Chibi. Good night, Chibi. Good night, Mama.
Okay, girls, wake up, wake up. Oh, they're still asleep. Come on. What? Okay, you girls, just sleep, sleep. Sleep.
Go to sleep, Nirvana. It's still nighttime.
Yeah, it's still nighttime, you girls. Nirvana, what are you doing?
I need to go to the potty. I need to flush. Mommy can flush it. Nirvana, come into bed. I see you. Wait, Mommy, it's morning. I will. I won't be awake. Me either. I'm gonna be so tired. Look how I'm sleeping. Ew, Sissy, you're so weird.
Rebecca.
Hey, Jackie, just wait.
so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye! Bye!